Probability. Probability is a deal with problem and concerned with chance and event. Probability of A equals to Na over Ns. क्लासिकल प्रोबेबिलिटी को हम प्रायर प्रोबेबिलिटी भी कहते हैं. क्लासिकल प्रोबेबिलिटी इज अ टाइप ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट assumes all outcomes are equally likely. For example, if you randomly pick one ball without looking, the probability of selecting a red ball is 1 by 2, and the probability of picking a blue ball is also 1 by 2. Each color has an equally likely chance of being chosen. Frequency posterior probability. Frequency probability, also known as empirical probability, is based on past experience or data. For example, if you have a 90% acute COVID-19 test and your test comes back positive, the posterior probability of having COVID-19 depends on the prevalence of the disease in the population. Next is equally likely. Equally likely means that every possible outcome has the same chance of occurring. Let's say you have a bag with 5 red balls and 5 blue balls. If you randomly pick one ball without looking, the probability of selecting a red ball is 1 by 2, and the probability of picking up blue ball is also 1 by 2. Each color has an equally likely chance of being chosen. Set. A set is a collection of unique objects, and the objects in a set are called elements. For example, if we have a set A, 1, 2, 3, it means A contains the elements 1, 2, 3. Sets can be used in various operations like union, intersection, and complement. Equivalent set. When we say that two sets of equivalent, it means they have the same number of elements. In other words, two sets are equivalent if they have the same number of elements regardless of order. For example, if we have set A and set B, even though the order of the elements may differ, the sets are equivalent because they contain the same elements. The concept of equivalent in set focus on the elements within the set disregarding the order.